Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Jupiter, rules Sagittarius, sub-ruler Pisces, exaltation Cancer, detriment Gemini, fall Capricorn, responsible, knowledge, digestion, married, Jif, first letter of the Greek spelling for the god Zeus, represents, benevolent, protective urge, anatomy, arterial blood, circulation, the liver, thighs, hips, feet, right ear, upper forehead, glycogen and fatty tissues, pancreas. Keyword, expansion, general, rules wealth, leisure time, big business, the higher mind, optimism, height, growth, morality, prosperity and indulgence. Also higher education, philosophic reasoning, aspirations, sports, luck, long-distance travel, hunting and fondness for animals. Jupiter is the judge, the lawmaker and the helper. In earlier times Jupiter was known as the greater benefic. Jupiter's action is orderly and promotes health and growth. Where you find Jupiter in the horoscope is where you often have good fortune and like to spend your leisure time. The second house, mine. The second house shows financial affairs, values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign is Taurus. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is values. The second is a house of substance and earth. Quality is succeedent house. General. The second house shows financial affairs, possessions, except real estate, investments, earning power, and any gain or loss through your own efforts. It indicates your inner talents and resources, your need for fulfillment, your emotional feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of values. Since many people believe that liberty is largely a matter of money, this is the house of personal liberty. It is also the house of material debt. Jupiter in the second house. Jupiter is also in the second house of your chart, which indicates that wealth and prosperity are yours whenever you want it. Like the King Midas character in the story, everything you touch seems to turn into gold. You may not even start making money by choosing to take a more philosophical stance on some business projects, but the project turns out to be a real money turner. Unlike your story character, you are not greedy or stingy, but you are generous with your money and possessions. Other effects on your chart are likely to indicate extravagance. If that's the case, then you're likely to spend your money as soon as you earn it, perhaps even going into debt on your whim. The negative effects also mean that you should be wary of losing your money through gambling and mindless investments. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.